This is PhilPapers. Note the URL, philpapers.org. We can browse recent works by clicking on the New Items menu. Notice you can select by category, or you can just select all. Notice also that you have all these custom filters here on the right-hand side. You can also browse by topic. I'm going to select Metaphysics and Epistemology, and this gives me additional subcategories. I talked about wanting theology resources, so I'm going to select Philosophy of Religion. I'm given a summary of the topic, key works, and if I scroll down, I get even more subcategories. In parentheses, I can see just how many resources relate to this topic, and I'm going to click on Design Arguments for Theism. You still have all your filters on the right. It looks like I previously selected Open Access Only. Basically, you would click on that and apply. It shows me that I have 15. So let's say I have a student who procrastinated and needs resources like immediately, which is why I clicked on selected things that I could access right now. So as for searching, your search box is always front and center right there. If you click on this arrow, you can get to the advanced search or syntax, and you may wonder what in the world is syntax. So it's actually super helpful information on how search words are treated, word order, operators, and so on. Back to advanced search, there are different search modes, which I'll let you investigate those on your own. I'm going to stick to normal for now. I appreciate that this is fairly intuitive. You can see just how a search is going to work. I'm going to do a known item search. Let's say I have a patron who wants an article, but all they can remember is that the work had the word interstellar in the title, and that it was in a journal called The Humanist, published in Humanist. Scroll down and hit submit. So here you can see part of the abstract. I can actually download it from here. I can export the citation to these formats. And if I create an account, I can actually bookmark it. It gives me a pop-up saying I have to have an account there. If I click on the actual title, I get the complete abstract, categories that the topic falls in. Again, I can download from here, or I can use a link to get to the external website that it's actually from. Up in the top corner, I can see the author profile. And if I actually clicked on it, I could see more about his credentials and works. Finally, a great feature, if you scroll down to the bottom, you get a list of similar books and articles. And I'll finish up this demonstration by showing you just how easy it is to download the resource. You just click on it, and you get a PDF of the resource exactly as it would appear in the journal.